Dental, about to go get my smart brackets installed, and I am very excited about it. Come with me as we do this. Ugh. Snowed last night or yesterday, so now there's all this ice melting.
That's the original. And you said that this goes behind here? How are you gonna build the...
Well, I just get an invoice later.
Okay,
Okay guys, I'm here at Luxe Dental Austin with Dr. Michelle. Hi. And Ashley over here is going to be helping with the procedure. And yeah, we're going to get this started. I'm really excited, guys.
You should be excited. I know you've tried Smile Direct Club before and that didn't go so well. So
Yeah.
we're going to do 6-month smiles today, get a lot better movement with the brackets and get you where you want to be with a gorgeous smile.
Yay.
Okay, I'm going to lean you back.
Okay.
So I'm sure you've seen this little device. This is the one people were putting in their mouths to see if they could see what each other were saying with this end. Do you remember this? So people put it under their lips and then they try to say something and yeah.
No.
So,
I've never seen that.
Okay, so this just fits underneath your lips and keeps your cheeks and your lips out of the way while we're bonding the brackets on.
Oh, okay. Is it going to make me drool?
No, but if you do, we have a suction, so you'll be good.
Okay.
Okay, putting this in is a little bit weird. Just try to relax your lips as best you can and let me kind of slide it in, and then I'll adjust it if it's needed to be adjusted, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and open real big for me, and I'm going to slide this guy in your mouth here, and right underneath your lip. Sometimes people have to help me with this because they can feel their lips a lot better than me, but
I got you now, dude. Okay.
get your lips right around these edges here. There we go, that one's good. Let me get this one a little more comfortable for you.
Okay. It's not uncomfortable, guys. It doesn't hurt.
It's a little weird.
Yeah. It's weird, but it's not uncomfortable.
Okay?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
good.
you see how we have all this room now to be able to get brackets on? So the first step is to clean the teeth off really well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Okay.
So this is just a little fine powder we're going to use to just clean the teeth off really good.
Open just a little bit for me.
Okay, the next step is going to be to prepare the teeth for the glue. So this is called etch. And it's basically going to prepare the enamel to accept the bonding agent. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
It's got to sit for just a little bit. Trays, and they're actually placed with a computer-generated system based on the actual shape of the teeth. So this makes my job a lot easier. and putting individual brackets on. So we're going to go ahead and use a light to cure that down to the teeth. That's all I'm going to be able to do today. Let me double check with floss to make sure I can get everything through.
So that creates space between my teeth?
So, yeah, a little bit. It's going to relieve the tension and allow them to slide past each other.
Okay.
Typically on the first visit, though, the teeth are so tight together, especially in these big crowding cases, that it's really hard to get that in there.
Mm-hmm.
But the next time you come in, it's going to be, your teeth will be a tiny bit loose from the movement with the brackets, and that'll give me some ability to get in there a little more comfortably.
Okay.
So we're going to hold off on the rest of that today until next time.
Is that official floss?
This is your last comfortable, easy floss for a while, for sure. Hope you're enjoying it. Okay. Okay, we're going to get your wire put in and you are all set. So this is where...
And then it's going to move a lot slower with the donut. So we want to get you some results. They need to get twisted on, and then once they're in place, we cut the little ends and tuck them underneath the wire. Oh, okay. This one I'm going to tie down a little tighter. It's a pressure. So we take these little tails and we just tuck them underneath the wire. Something like that? Yes. So if you drink a lot of red wine or eat a lot of mustard or curries or things like that can stain a white t-shirt, at the very least, swish with some water afterwards. Okay. And that will help with any discoloration. Don't ever think that the brackets themselves are discoloring, because they're not. It's just the little clear tie that holds the wire in place. So at every visit that you come in, we replace those anyway. Okay. But if you have like a big function coming up and you need just fresh, clear donuts, you can call us and we can get you in to get those adjusted if need be. Does drinking with a straw help? Yes, it does. There's also a mouth rinse over the counter called Peroxyl, and it tastes very similar to the one that you swished with earlier. And it has like a whitening agent in it that helps with that discoloration also. I feel the tension down there. Yes. Okay guys, so I just got my smart brackets installed and you can see what they look like. These are gonna get my teeth in order. But yeah. They don't really hurt. I can feel a little bit of tension on the bottom teeth, but not too much. And I hope that over time they start to really shift my teeth and I get the straight teeth that I've been wanting. I'll keep y'all posted.